Okay, ito na naman tayo mga ka-review. Ang topic natin ngayon is about partial differentiation. Okay? So, a function of two variables is written as z that is equal to a function of x and at the same time y. Yan, where the value of z depends on both x and y. When differentiating such functions, we treat one variable as a constant. Okay? Ganun ang gagawin natin, no? While differentiating with respect to the other. So, ganun ang partial differentiation. Okay? For example, the partial derivative with respect to x is partial derivative now of z with respect to the partial derivative of x is equal to f of f. Paano ba babasahin? Okay, and then ganyan naman si y, no, in terms of y. Okay, kapag ang kinukuha natin ay yung partial derivative of c with respect to x, ginagawa nating constant dito si y. Okay, wherein kapag partial derivative naman ng z with respect to y, then ang ginagawa naman natin dito ay ginagawa nating constant dito si x. Okay, and then higher partial derivative, okay? Yan. Then we have mixed partial derivatives. Okay? Pero ang focus lang natin dito ay hanggang dito lang tayo sa first derivative. Kasi kung alam nyo naman na mag-derivative, kahit gaano pa kadaming derivative yan, o kahit second order, third order, basta alam nyo naman na yung derivative, okay, so hindi na magiging problema yun. Okay. Yan. So yung applications, hindi natin sakop yung applications dito, no? Isa mga higher subjects na yan. Sample number 1. Let z is equal to x square y plus 3xy cube. So compute the partial derivative of z with respect to x and the partial derivative of z with respect to y. Okay? So, lagyan natin dito. Let z is equal to x square y plus 3xy cube. Okay, so take the partial derivative of z with respect to x. That is, ang gagawin natin, si y magiging constant. So the partial derivative would be y 2x plus y cube and then 3. Okay, ganun lang kasimple ang partial derivative. So the partial derivative of z with respect to x is equal to 2xy plus 3y cube. Ayan. Okay, how about for the partial derivative of z with respect to y? In this case, si x naman yung constant. So magiging x square and then 1 plus 3x then 3y cube. Okay, so magiging x square plus 9xy wait, square pala dapat to, this should be square, 3xy square. Yan, so ganun lang kasimple ang partial derivative, no? Okay. Now, let's say for example, let z is equal to e raised to xy. So, hanapin natin yung derivative ng z, partial derivative ng z with respect to x. And hanapin din natin solve din natin yung partial derivative ng z with respect to y. Okay? Ayan. So, take note na ang derivative ng e raised to u is equal to e raised to u du. In this case, ang u natin ay xy. Okay? So, for partial derivative ng z with respect to x, constant dito yung y, kaya ang mangyayari, ang derivative ng u natin dito ay y na lang. Okay, so magiging y e raised to wait, should be du pala yun, no? E raised to u du. So e raised to xy and then du, ang magiging du natin dito ay y na lang, no? Y. Yan, so magiging y e raised to xy. Then for the derivative naman ng partial derivative ng z with respect to y, that is, in this case, kapag partial derivative of z with respect to y, constant naman dito ang x. So ang derivative ng u natin ay x. So palitan lang natin yung y doon ng x, that is x e raised to xy. Okay, so para mas maintindihan niyo ganito yan. If ano tayo u is equal to xy, ngayon kukunin natin yung derivative ng u with respect to y, that is x, no? Kaya x yung nilagay natin, saan na banda yun? Dito, no? Then kapag derivative naman na partial derivative ng u with respect to x naman, so constant si y dito, so magiging y yan. Okay, kasi nga paano ba? In this case 1. Ang derivative kasi ng y dito ay 1. Dito naman ang derivative ng x ay 1. Okay, kaya yung y nilagay natin saan banda yon? Doon. Okay, so ganun ang partial derivative, no? Now, for example, for number 3, kukunin natin yung second partial derivative ng z with respect to x gamit yung same equation. Ayan. Okay, paano kaya to? Una ay kunin natin yung first partial derivative ng y with respect z with respect to x, no? Which is nagawa naman na natin to kanina. Ang ginagawa natin ay nagiging constant si y. So y e raised to xy, which nasolve na natin kanina yan Ngayon kukunin natin yung second partial derivative. Okay, so since ang y natin dito ay constant, ilagay na natin dito and then kunin natin yung derivative nito, which is pares lang yan, y e raised to xy. Okay, therefore ang second partial derivative ng z with respect to x is equal to y square e raised to xy. Okay, now paano naman sir kapag second partial derivative ng z with respect to y? Okay, paano naman kaya yan? So ganoon din lang, kunin natin yung first, no, partial derivative which is equal to, take note kapag with respect to y, ginagawa natin constant si x. Ano na ulit yung equation natin? Z is equal to e raised to xy. So mangyayari constant si x e raised to xy. Nasolve na natin yan kanina. And then next is to proceed na tayo sa second partial derivative. Okay? So in this case, ito yung ating first derivative. Ang x natin dito ay constant. So magiging lalagay lang natin dito since constant naman yan, and then kunin natin yung derivative nito, e raised to xy, which is x e raised to xy. So din lang. Diba? So x square e raised to xy. Okay? Okay, number 4, paano naman kapag ganito? So same yung equation, no? Paano naman kapag ganito ang sinabi niya? X, y. Paano kaya yan? Ang ibig sabihin niyan, kukunin natin yung partial derivative ng z with respect to x. Pagkatapos nun, kukunin naman natin yung partial derivative ng z with respect to y. Okay? Nung pagkakuha natin ng x. For example, so the partial derivative of z with respect to x is equal to y e raised to x, no? Okay? xy pala. Ngayon, pagkatapos niyan, kukunin naman natin ngayon yung partial derivative nito with respect to y. Ganun ang ibig sabihin nun. So, mangyayari, dz over, paano ba to? Square over, ganyan. Tapos, y, okay, ay equal sa, constant dito ang x Kung constant ang x, therefore ito ay product, no? So this is u, din naman ito ay b. So b du u db. B here is to xy, and then derivative ng u, okay? Ang derivative ng u ay 1, okay? Plus u, y. Then derivative ng b, take note, with respect to y tayo, so constant ang x, so x here is to xy, okay? So factor out natin yung xy, e raised to xy, so dz square over dx y is equal to 1 plus xy, and then e raised to xy, okay? Yan. Now, sir, paano naman kapag ganito ang gagawin natin? Ang gagawin naman natin ngayon ay same pa rin, e raised to xy, pero ang hanapin natin na ibaliktad, yx. Okay, paano kaya yan? So, kunin muna natin yung partial derivative ng z with respect to y. So, this is x, e raised to xy. And then, partial derivative ng z with respect to square, y, and then x is equal to, so constant dito ang y, so ganoon pa rin, this is a product, okay? So ito yung b natin, ito yung u, b du u db, product, no? B, e raised to xy, du, 1, derivative ng xy 1, plus u, x, and then ang derivative naman ng b natin, okay? So y, e raised to, wait pala, with respect to x tayo, so wait lang, with respect to x, tama, constant pala yung ano doon, yung y, no? So y e raised to xy, okay? So yan, ito ay magiging 1 plus xy, parehas lang, no? E raised to xy, so parehas lang din ang makukuha. Pero of course yung proseso ay magkaiba, okay? So ang tawag natin dyan ay mixed partial derivative. Okay, so that's all for this topic. Thank you for watching.